friends, welcome to another Sunnyside Design video. I'm Steph.
And I'm Michelle.
And we are here in my parents' laundry room again. We've just installed this fun beadboard. I was going to say word bad. Beadboard accent wall in their laundry room where they're going to turn it into like a functional mudroom.
So we'll be adding hooks along here soon.
So if you missed that video, go check it out.
Yes.
But today
we're going to add fun.
Up here.
Yeah, we were approached by Photowall and they wanted to know if we wanted to try their wallpaper, and we picked out this beautiful mural that's going to be going on the wall in here, and I'm so excited
to show you. Like a painting. It's amazing.
It really is. It's going to be like a piece of art in my laundry room, so I'm so excited. So watch to see how to install this. It's a little different than traditional wallpaper on how you install it.
You'll want to prep your wall before hanging the wallpaper. You'll want to clean it, make sure it's there's not any residue or film on your wall. You'll want to fill in any nail holes, or if you've got any bumps or things that need to be sanded or fixed before the wallpaper is hung, you'll want to do that first. Any bump or imperfection will show through the wallpaper, so you want to do that prep work ahead of time. I also did give my wall a coat of paint the week before we hung it because it had been 20 years, and I just wanted to seal in all of those holes and things that I filled in.
So your mural will come in 1 or 2 rolls depending on the size. Since I'm not doing a full height wall, mine actually all came in one roll.
It's gonna be a little section like that.
Yeah, and so mine comes in 10 sections, and what we'll do is we'll unroll it. And can you see the beautiful texture that is on that already? I'm so excited about it. So Steph, you want to pull it and unroll it a little bit more? What we need to do is cut apart each section to hang. All right, so each section will need to be cut apart. So I'm just going to use some scissors and cut them apart for each panel. And you'll see that each panel is numbered. This is number 2 out of 10. And they will just start hanging from the left to the right, going across the wall.
If you don't have all of the supplies, they do offer a kit with everything that you need, and it's only $18, so we feel that's really reasonable. So first you have a level so that you know you're hanging your paper straight. It even comes with a pencil so you can mark it. This is to apply the paste onto the wall. This brush is used to smooth it out after it's on the wall. This roller is to roll on the seams. And then last you use this straight edge and a knife to cut the excess paper off from the top and the bottom.
We need to measure the wall over the width of 1 panel of wallpaper. And I already kind of checked this out to see if my wall was straight, and it was off by 1/8 of an inch. So it's actually narrower at the top than it is at the bottom. So I'm going to come over 1/8 of an inch to make my mark, because I know my top is going to overlap this corner for at the beginning, and then we'll trim it. So I'm going to mark that and then take a level. And I know the kit comes with a little level, but I've got a big level, and I think it'll be easier just to use this. So I'm going to put it on my mark and then make sure it's level. Move it until my bubble is right in the center. And then I'm going to just make a really light pencil mark down the wall.
Before you start hanging your wallpaper, I think it's a good idea to do a dry fit. Hold up your first piece of wallpaper, see how it is going to hang with your level line that you have made, and mine is going to overlap my upper left-hand corner just a smidgen there. So I just wanted to see how it fit before we actually hang the wallpaper.
The wallpaper comes with paste, and you just mix it with water. You mix the bag with 1 gallon of water, and I just thought it would be easier to actually put it on the wall by putting it in my little paint cup holder. The one thing different about this wallpaper is generally you put the wallpaper paste on the back of the wallpaper, but according to their instructions, you put it directly to the wall. So I'm just going to use the brush that came in the kit, and I'm going to just paint the paste on the wall. We want to go past the width a little bit, the width of the roll of the wallpaper, and just paint the paste directly on the wall. So I wanted to tell you a little bit about what they offer. They do have murals, they have designer wallpaper. They also do custom printing canvases and posters, art, things like that. But you can also customize a mural. If you've got a photo of something fantastic you'd like to turn into a wall mural for your home, you can upload a picture and have something totally custom printed for your own home. But they have so many, there's thousands and thousands of choices. It took me so long to choose a wallpaper for my room. There are so many beautiful choices, and I chose this one because it really looks like a piece of art, a true mural piece. You can see the brush strokes and everything right on the wallpaper itself, and I think it's really beautiful. So I just want to make sure that we're covered totally from top to bottom with the paste. Okay. So what I want to do is line up. I had these printed longer than I needed, so we'll have excess at the top and the bottom. I don't think I want that much excess at the top. Let's pull it down a little bit. And I'm going to line it up with that pencil line, because we know that that line is straight. You want to make sure you hang it straight. So I've got it all lined up there. Okay, so, and then we're just going to smooth out the wallpaper to the wall. You can see here where we had that little 1/8 of an inch overlap is going to be there. You can use the brush, you can use your hands, whatever is comfortable for you. And we're perfect at the bottom.
Once you have the wallpaper all smoothed out and you don't have any air bubbles, then it's time to trim the top and the bottom. So what you do is first place a straight edge pressing up into the top of the wallpaper, so up against the ceiling and the corner there, and then using a very sharp utility knife or blade, you'll want to trim that top edge. And just keep sliding the straight edge across so you've got a nice straight guide for getting a good cut there. I will say it's important that you have a fresh blade, and I'm using the blade that came in my kit, which snaps off, so you've got a clean fresh blade each time you snap it off, but that will ensure that you're getting a good cut. And then you can go down and trim the bottom edge as well.
Once the piece is hung, you'll want to come by and wipe off any glue that gets on the front side of the wallpaper. If it dries on the front, you'll actually see that. So you'll want to get a bit of wipe, and then just around the edges as well. All right, we're ready to put piece number 2 on.
So we'll continue down the wall applying the wallpaper. Each time I will apply the wallpaper paste to the wall just a little bit wider than one section of the wallpaper, making sure that the glue is smooth on there and ready to hang the paper. This Photowall wallpaper is really easy to use. I was surprised. I did order the premium wallpaper, which was a little thicker and heavier for more of a place that maybe might get a little more abuse. Um, it is my first time using their wallpaper, and I really thought it was easy to work with. I've applied or hung wallpaper many times through the years, and some wallpapers are easier to use than others. This one I found very easy to use, and I don't know if it was because of the method of putting the paste directly to the wall or just the quality of their paper, but I found it easy to use.
Okay, when you go to line up piece number 2, you'll just want to make sure you're lining up your pattern, and you don't want to overlap the wallpaper. You want it to just butt up. So I'll just line it all up here.
Once the pattern is all lined up on the second piece, then I just use the brush to smooth it all out again, pushing any air bubbles towards the sides. And then I just use the straight edge again, trim off the top and the bottom edge, and we can move down the wall.
Once I've got the 2 pieces together, we want to just make sure that our seam is nice and secure. So this is where this little roller comes in handy. We'll just roll along there, and then I'm going to wipe off any excess glue that came through the seam.
Slowly, my laundry room is starting to change, and I am so thrilled. Without a doubt, adding the beadboard and wainscoting and the hooks dramatically changed and improved this space. But now I am so excited about this beautiful wallpaper accent wall from Photowall. It is definitely a game changer for this room. Every time I walk past my laundry room now, I have to pause and stare at my gorgeous wall. I think I'm going to have to replace my current door with a French door or something with a window. It's just too pretty now to be closed off. When I started making plans for updating my laundry room, I began looking at wallpaper. I knew that a wallpaper accent wall would definitely add some pizzazz to my room, and perhaps it would even make doing the laundry fun. One can hope, right? So I was thrilled when we got an email from Photowall wanting us to try their wallpaper and share our results with our followers. Let me tell you a little bit more about Photowall. It is a Swedish wall art company that is passionate about creating inspiring living spaces with personality. They believe the walls in a room affect the way you feel in a room. Clearly, they are passionate about helping you create a home that reflects your personality. Their products are manufactured in Sweden and shipped worldwide free of charge. In fact, the process is so quick, I received my order in less than a week. Their selection is amazing. Not only do they offer murals like what we used, but they offer also designer wallpaper, posters, and canvas prints. You will find over 13,000 mural choices and 2,000 wallpaper choices, perfect for creating your own wallpaper accent wall. In addition, if you want a more personalized wallpaper mural, you can upload your own photo and create a custom wall mural. You're able to truly personalize your home with a custom wallpaper mural with Photowall. As I continued to hang the wallpaper down the length of the wall, I found that my fingernails were actually a great tool here. It worked perfectly to smooth and press the wallpaper up towards the ceiling, and it helped prepare the edge for cutting and trimming. This entire process of installing the wallpaper mural accent wall took a little more than an hour and added so much to my room. I know that looking at the process of hanging wallpaper may seem intimidating, but it's really not as difficult as it looks. And look at the results. It's amazing. If you take your time, make sure that you're getting your wallpaper straight. Don't rush your cuts. Make sure that you're smoothing it out and getting your air bubbles out. You will get professional results, just like we did. Do you love the look of this beautiful Photowall wallpaper? I cannot get enough of it. In fact, I've already been looking around my house, deciding where I can add my next beautiful mural from Photowall. It may just be my master bedroom. Now, Photowall is offering a 25% discount on any purchase made from today through June 14th, 2021. Just enter the promo code to the sunny side 2021 at checkout, and you will get a 25% discount on this amazing wallpaper.
All right, tell me what you think. Do you love this wallpaper mural? I'm kind of just a little obsessed about it.
It's so fun.
It makes me want to stare at it every time I walk past it because it just looks so beautiful. It's unexpected in my laundry room, and you see it every time you walk in the house as long as the laundry room door is open. So that door, I think, is going to get swapped. We need
you
glass.
Can't hide this.
You can't. It's just too pretty.
So we hope you liked this tutorial and that you learned that really it's a simple thing to do. It was really quick and it makes a huge statement. So give it a try. Use our coupon code. Make sure you use that
Save
discount.
25%. That's an awesome discount on the wallpaper.
Yeah. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel if you have not already and tap that notification bell so you know when our new movies come out each week. And be sure to follow us on social media. All the links are below in the description. And as always here at Sunnyside Design, we hope to bring your home to the sunny side of the street.